going to start with our DST monograph method, that is green chemistry method. The experimental part can be carried out by Vasif and dictation can be done by me. So here this is the next methodology. One method we have done with our classical method. Okay? In the next method we are going to carry the experiment with the green chemistry method. No doubt soft copy I am going to provide you, no need to write the journal. So here see 30 ml of acetic acid, fumes of acetic acid coming out from this. वासिफ एक स्टैंड है क्या इसको? So we are going to transfer into this beaker the acetic acid. See, first we will add acetic acid. हाथ पे गिरेगा वासिफ? नहीं, acetic acid है वो strong रहता है. So this much is enough. because 30 ml we have taken. To this will add, बस इसको निकाल दो, फ्यूम्स पूरे आ रहे हैं देखो, वो दोनों हटा दो यहाँ से. एसिटिक एसिड, टू दिस एसिटिक एसिड वी आर एडिंग एनेलिन 10 ml, 10 ml एनेलिन. उसी को दे दो मेजरिंग. ओके, so here we are measuring our aniline 10 ml. See, 10 ml aniline. So this is the green methodology. Here we have replaced the acetic anhydride with the drop of glacial acetic acid 10 ml. So we know we are carrying out the acetylation reaction. To get acetyl group we need acetylating reagent, as we have discussed in our first video related to theoretical aspect of this experiment. Theoretical aspect we have covered up. So there we have discussed that we are replacing in green methodology in DST monograph. What we are doing, we are carrying out replacement of chemical as well as catalyst which are hazardous or producing adverse effect on the environment. Okay, here in this I have taken in this RB flask aniline I have taken plus glycol acetic acid I have taken. Now I am going to add according to my procedure, I am going to add aniline. कितना 10 ml है ना aniline मैंने डाला, I think so. हाँ, 10 ml aniline I have added. Now I have to add the zinc dust to this. थोड़ा सा मतलब 0.5 ग्राम. Acetic acid I have taken, aniline I have taken. Now here I am adding one more catalyst, that is zinc dust for the protonation. Here I am not adding the hydrochloric acid. Remember, here I am not using hydrochloric acid, I am not using acetic anhydride. So this methodology is green methodology. After adding all these things in the RB flask, I am going to reflux this one. This is the condenser, you know, and this is the outlet and this is the inlet of the condenser. So inlet down part, so that inlet goes into the sink, then outlet, the water can be circulated in this condenser. The methodology you know everything very well. I am going to put this RB flask onto this after adding the zinc dust. Then one porcelain piece add Vasif. So ठीक है. Now the Vasif is fitting the RB flask to the condenser. Now this has to get heat up to 1 hour. So we are going to keep that one on water bath for 1 hour. Till that you do the calculation and chemistry part. So we'll discuss afterwards in next videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.